Once you have confirmed your account through the email, you should now be able to log into social. Type in the email address that you used at sign up. In this case I am example@ed.ac.uk and the password that you chose, and hit login. You'll first be taken to your profile page. It's very recommended that you fill this in as fully as you can to make the most out of social. These are your information that you filled in at registration, including your first and last name. You can choose a nickname at this point and how you want to publicly display your name. You can update your email address at any point. You can provide the website. It could be a personal website or a profile on your academic profile within your institution. And you can write a little bit of biography about yourself, choose your profile picture, create a new password, and subscribe to our mailing lists. You are automatically subscribed to our weekly digest that goes out on a Friday, and our bi-monthly newsletter which goes out every 2 months. Up at the top, if you click Extended Profile, you will have a little bit more information to fill in, which you can do so by clicking on Complete Profile on the top right here. You have information including your research. If you want to include your pathway. If you are not ESRC funded, you can choose the pathway which closely aligns to your discipline. You can type in your PhD title. This is viewable by everybody on social by default. You can choose to hide this to only you if you like, but it does mean that people won't be able to search for key terms within your PhD title. You can include a short summary of your research interests, your mode of study, when you commenced your PhD study, again a link to your personal website. If you have publications, you can type these in here. These fields will only be available to you if you have chosen one of the academic profiles. Just to point out, you have 2 biographies. You have one which is publicly displayed on your profile, and you also have an author bio. This will appear on any blog posts that you may submit to the social community. Once you have filled in all of your information, you can view your profile in full here, and you can update again your profile photo and your cover photo. This is what is publicly available to other users, and this is how they'll see your information.